Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox a heat gun. This one is Wagner. There are many different brands. I used Porter cable, I used DeWalt before. They're all fine, they're all about the same. Some of them might be too strong. DeWalt was like too strong. I'm gonna show you how to remove the shipping labels from boxes and all the other unnecessary labels. There's some stickers and stuff that sometimes they put on them. So this is the one that I'm gonna be using. People use it for so many different things. I have no idea. I use this to remove unnecessary labels from boxes. That's what we have inside. Attachments. This is the basic one. 1-year warranty. And instructions. I'm not going to read it, definitely not now. I attached the cord to it. This goes to the power outlet, and this is what I have here. I have 4 buttons. Okay, so now we're gonna see how it works. Let's try to remove these shipping labels. These are from FedEx, as you can see, so it's very hard to come off. You might do it with a nail, but it'll take a lot of time and effort, so we'll just use a heat gun to do it, right? So we're gonna press this, and we're gonna just, you see the label turns black. It's actually getting too black. We might be using too much heat, but you're gonna figure over time using it how much heat you really need. Make sure you don't touch yourself with it, because this metal thing, it's gonna be like super hot, and you're gonna leave a burn mark on your body forever, so be very careful. Okay, so that's enough. I'm doing it with one hand, so it's 700 is too much. I'm pretty sure I put 700. Okay, and then it actually says it's can cool, but I'm not sure. So these are gonna be very hot. Okay, it's fine. Just like that, see? Before it was very hard, now it comes off so easy. That's it. It is pretty multifunctional. You can set the temperature with this plus minus. 700 was a little bit probably too much, but it was fine. You can probably put a little bit less than that. Just make sure you don't touch this metal thing or you burn yourself. Very important. Pretty much all of them work about the same way. You just heat it up and then remove. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.